Hello, friends. Remember, we read the story Matthew and Tilly, and we read it because it is a great story for teaching us new words that we can use all the time. And yesterday we learned some new words. We learned crabby. Remember, this friend is crabby because his toy got broken. It's a feeling that you feel. It's grouchy, grumpy, and you can look at his face. His face is not happy. It is grouchy. Okay, crabby. The other word that we learned was rescue. So when you rescue something, you save them from danger. So in this story, Matthew and Tilly rescued the kitten from the tree for their neighbor. So I have two more words for you. And the first one is stomp. And it's so funny that we're learning stomp because someone last week was talking about the word, and then they used the word stomp in their sentence. So stomp, it means to step heavily or make a loud noise. So if we were in our classroom together, guess what we would all be doing right now? We would be stomping our feet. So right now, do that. Make a loud noise with your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. And guess what? When we stomp a lot, it will probably make a rumble. So I want you to think about a time that you stomped. When did you have to stomp your feet? This friend is stomping his feet or her feet to get the snow off, it looks like, or the dirt off. So when did you stomp your feet? So you could say, I stomped when. Okay, when I was a little girl, my favorite thing to do was stomp my feet when I was grumpy or crabby. So I stomped when I felt crabby. What about you? Great. All right, our next word is wonder. And when you wonder about something, you're curious. You want to know more about it when you wonder. So think about something that you've wondered about, or you've thought of, or you've had questions about. And think the sentence. I wonder. Great. My wondering is, I wonder if we're going to have Halloween this year. What about you? What do you wonder? Okay, so we have those two words. You need to get them and you need to put them. S would be in stomp. Let me see. I think I already wrote it in here. There we go, under S. Under the three words that we already have, we have steady, shift, and now we have stomp. And then wonder would be under W. There we go. I squeezed mine under here, but you don't have to. You can use the blank one. Write the word wonder. Great. See you later. Bye.